The pace of life in the city is fast and peak hour traffic congestion is common. Many workers and students take buses or minibuses to go to work and school. As public transport, the safety of drivers and passengers is very important. Currently, many different regions have laws that require vehicles to undergo annual inspection to ensure that they are safe and suitable for driving on the road. There will be a great economic impact if a minibus broke down on the main routes and roads of the city and blocks traffic. Due to cost and operational needs, it is impossible to conduct detailed inspections of a vehicle every day. The engine of a vehicle is like the heart of a human. Its structure is complex, and even if it operates every day, we may not be able to notice slight abnormalities. Nevertheless, can we always detect the problems even if we regularly check the vehicle of the examination centers with the help of equipment? Professor Jeffrey Cheung of Hong Kong Baptist University has developed a program that provides a quick, simple, and low-cost method to evaluate the performance and condition of an internal combustion engine and determine whether maintenance is needed. The evaluation is easy to perform, which is just placing a small measuring device embedded with accelerometer, such as a smartphone, at the sweet spot of the vehicle that shows the vibration measurement without excessive noise. The 3-axis accelerometer of the device will measure the vibration magnitude of the vehicle and collect data. It's like feeling the pulse of a vehicle. The collected data will be sent to the developed program for analysis and compared with the data in the database. The engine's status and performance can be evaluated. Therefore, if there is a problem with the engine, it can be repaired in time to avoid malfunctions or accidents during driving. This not only helps users record the daily performance data of the engine, but also reduces the downtime of the vehicle due to inspection and hence save the costs. In addition, the program from HKBU can also detect flaws in the engine and suspension system, such as abnormalities or small vibrations during operation to improve vehicle performance. As shown, this program can detect the peak C, which is caused by slight abnormal engine vibrations. After maintenance, the peak C disappears. For routine operations, a standalone triaxial accelerometer, very low cost, in the range under US $30, can be mounted at the sweet spot. The on-off can be controlled remotely by the driver. Data will be transmitted to any computational device through cloud for analysis. Results will be stored in a database to track engine performance. This technology has been granted patents in US and China. We hope to transfer this technology to transportation industry in order to reduce accidents and maintenance costs.